Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing wonderful. I want to say welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, well then welcome. I hope you stay and subscribe. This video is going to be on my March Ipsy bag. I had to question what month it is. Okay, like I always do in these videos, I always try on each item and then tell you my opinion on the products. So without further ado, let's get right into my March Ipsy bag. Let's talk about the bag first. I am really loving it. The way the bag shine, like that is so beautiful. It's rose gold and then it has a pop of blue on top. On it, I don't know if you can see, it has a saying on it. It says, "And off she went to change the world." The little handle right here, it's a star. I don't know what this is called, the little gem or I don't know, but it's a star and it says Ipsy on it. That's cute. The back, it's just plain, but look at the shine, like whew, it's beautiful. So, let's get into the bag. The first thing that I am grabbing is the pamphlet. So it says it's National Women's History Month. That's the reason why it has this quote on it, because of the theme. I like how this looks like this. It's like a little card. So when you flip it open, it has each item that's in the bag. I actually like this because it tells you about the product and then it also gives you a tip on how to use it. And that's the reason why I save cards like this, because just in case later on I forget how to use it, because especially since it's samples, they don't have the description on it, like the directions. First item I am going to grab is this right here. I love the color of this. Purifying face mask, detoxifying and brighten. So this is the brand Sand and Sky, Australian pink clay purifying face mask. This brand was founded by sisters who share a passion for using rare Australian ingredients in skincare. Made with light pink Australian clay, this mask tightens pores, nixes excess oils, and leaves your skin feeling so smooth. Tip: apply an even layer all over your clean skin. Let it sit for 10 minutes. You might feel a slight tingle, totally normal. Gently rinse off with warm water and pat your skin dry. I am not gonna be able to use this because I already have makeup on. So since I'm not gonna use this now, I'm going to leave my thoughts on this item in the description below, so please check it out. Let's jump back into the bag and I'm going to grab this right here. Oh my god. This is beautiful. This is from SL Miss Glam. This is the SS62 short shader brush. I love her brushes. Every single brush I get from her, it's just so unique, so much detail on it. It's so beautiful. It says YouTuber and beauty guru Stephanie Lubis created this line of highly quality synthetic brushes that look so pretty in our brush jar. So whether you want a subtle or smudgy smoky eye look, this brush is your go-to. Plus the glitter handle is simply adorbs. Look at how this looks. I don't know if you can see it, but the next product is this right here. This is IBY Beauty eyeshadow and highlighter. So on the back it says IBY Lush eyeshadow are highly pigmented, buttery and blendable shades infused with rose hip seed oil for skin protecting properties. Oh my god, this is so adorable. This is just so cute. Oh my gosh. So on the back it says that it's cruelty free and vegan. It says this velvety powder shadow is a staple in our kit for creating a cut crease or using as a transition shade for a smoky eye. What's more, the formula is vegan, free of talc, mineral oil and parabens, and is infused with rose hip seed oil to help protect the delicate skin on your lids. Wow, this shadow is beautiful. I don't even know if I showed you. I actually like that the packaging is like the same color as the shadow. Okay, so I'm gonna dip in and just apply it right on my lid. And no, I did not put no primer on my lid or concealer. And then with no product, I'm just going into the crease, going back and forth. I like how the shadow, you can do a light hand or you can pack it on and make a deep color for the lid. Now I'm going to take this beautiful brush and dip it in and apply it on the lid, well, the lash line, to smoke it out. And keep on just tapping more on to deepen the shadow. Then I'm going to take this brush again and apply the shadow close to my lower lash line. I think this shadow is so beautiful. the way it just gives a nice sheen to the eyes. You can deepen it, or you can just do a light hand. This brush, one, is just so beautiful. Moving it, and I think it applies shadow really nice close to the lash line or the inner corner too, because I just went like that to the inner corner and it's so easy to get right in. So the next item in the bag is this mascara. It's the Tarte Man-Eater Voluptuous Mascara. Tarte's committed to creating products that are cruelty free and made with good for you ingredients. This inky black formula creates a flexible brush that coats even your tiniest lashes. Jojoba and carnauba wax strengthens and protects your lashes and help prevent flaky. I am liking this. The wand is really big. I don't know, like for a mini size mascara, I feel like it's really big. I don't know, maybe it's just me. It looks good. Hopefully you can see. The last item in this bag is this right here. This is from the brand Lottie London Shimmer Squad Highlighter in the Good Girl. Insta Beauty Addict. Lottie London is inspired by the vloggers, bloggers, and street style stars you love from IG. The champagne highlighter finds your best light. The ultra blendable powder formula goes on evenly to give you an out of this world glow. No filter required. Alright, I'm so excited. I love me some nice highlighter. You're gonna make me look all glowy with this dry skin. Look at how it looks. Hopefully you can see. See, look, this is another SL Miss Glam brush. Like, look at how beautiful this is. I'm telling you, the detailing on her brushes are amazing. So I'm gonna dip into this highlighter. Ooh. Okay, so this highlighter, I actually love it. And if you do a light hand, it would look natural. I think it just looks so gorgeous. My overall thoughts on these 5 products. Okay, this one right here, I cannot tell you my thoughts about the product because I haven't used it. So I will let you know in my description down below. For the products that I did use, I like each one, okay? The brush, I mean, what is not to love about this brush? The detail on this brush is just so beautiful, so unique. And then it does a great job of applying some shadow to the lower lash line, the top lash line, inner corner. This highlight is so beautiful. You can build this up. You can do a light hand. I apply just a little bit on my forehead and it gives a nice natural glow. And then this is when you do some intense pack on, okay? I mean, I didn't do it intense, but it looks intense. This shadow, first of all, it's like so cute and small. The packaging is so adorable. The shadow itself is just so beautiful. You can use a light hand to it, or you can pack this on to make it deep. But no matter what kind of pack on you put, you will see a beautiful sheen on your lid. The last item is this mascara, the Tarte Man-Eater Mascara, and I like it. If you're doing a no makeup look, you know, just a little bit of makeup, nothing crazy, this would look nice because it's something just like, it's there but barely there. If you apply a little bit more, it will pop even more. So that's it. That's how I feel. I really love this month's bag. So that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful. If you receive Ipsy, please let me know down below which items you receive, which ones you like, which ones you dislike. If you don't receive Ipsy and you want to, I will leave the link down below in my description so you can check that out. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Next, let's jump back into the my hair is like wild because I washed it last night and fell asleep and didn't do nothing to it. Let's jump back in. What the hell?